Greetings YouTube and welcome to Sundowner Studios. Today we're going to be driving from sunny Southern California down to even sunnier Yuma, Arizona. Specifically, Yuma Proving Grounds, the home of the U.S. Army and the Army's Special Operations Aviation Command. Now, this detachment for the Special Operations Aviation Command fly the C-27J Spartan aircraft, and we're going to get unprecedented access to their operations. So buckle in and have a safe flight.
Yuma Proving Grounds, home to the Military Freefall School. Situated on the banks of the Colorado River in southwestern Arizona, the city of Yuma offers an ideal geographical location for the Army to conduct research and development on future military weapons. The Army's Special Operation Aviation Command has a detachment based at Laguna Army Airfield on YPG. They carry out the mission of supporting the Military Freefall School with an aviation platform, the C-27J Spartan. Here, aircraft 27027, call sign Desert 7, starts up two powerful Rolls-Royce AE 2100-D2A engines, each generating 4,637 shaft horsepower. The aircraft shudders as it springs to life. The mission of the flight detachment is to provide the Military Freefall School with a reliable platform, which allows the school to teach a wide variety of students from all branches of the U.S. military, both conventional and top-tier operators, the combat-oriented capability of deploying from an aircraft. Being a retired naval aircrewman, there are days when I need to pinch myself to know that this is real. This day definitely is one of those times. Each student exiting the rear cargo ramp of the aircraft is accompanied by either one or two instructors, depending on the task that the individual student has to perform. As soon as the last student exits, the aircraft begins to descend while the rear cargo ramp is closing. Here we see Chief 1 Officer 2 Robbins transfer fuel from the right tank to the left. This is for weight and balance considerations. The tight angle of bank that Aircraft Commander Chief Warrant Officer 4 Mueller maintains is essential in order to avoid civil aircraft that may be flying right outside the MOA. As we transition from base to final, Chief Warrant Officer 4 Mueller explains to me about the efficient flight profile, which saves the Army thousands of dollars in operating costs and allows for a more rapid pace in training students at the Military Free Fall School.
Gotcha.
I was able to witness 5 more flights before lunchtime. Students at the Military Free Fall School await our final leg, as I reluctantly said my farewell to the crew. I give my special gratitude to the men and women of the U.S. Army Special Operations Aviation Command's Detachment at Yuma, Arizona. Especially Chief Warrant Officer 4 Marv Mueller, the aircraft commander. Chief Warrant Officer 2 Drew Robbins, the pilot. And Staff Sergeant Carlos Nieves Perez, flight engineer. The 3 crew members have a combined 11,000 flight hours in various Army aircraft and have dropped in excess of 65,000 parachutists. Additionally, they are the only fully qualified military freefall crew in the UFB.